Basketball is a team sport in which two teams, most commonly of 5 players each. As for that, in this video, we will tackle the skills in basketball. Wherein, these skills will help to improve your performance. So, let's go! First is shooting. Shooting requires the ability to properly hold and throw the ball into the air toward the basket while avoiding defenders. First, we have the free throw. Free throws or foul shots are unopposed attempts to score points by shooting from behind the free throw line. Next is the three-point shots. A three-pointer in basketball is a shot scored anywhere outside the three-point arc. Next is the layup. Layup is a shot near the basket, usually off the backboard. For a layup, you run towards one side of the basket, jump, and lay the ball off the backboard into the hoop. Next is the dribbling. Dribbling is a repetitive action in which player uses one hand to bounce the basketball. Low dribble just means that you must keep the ball bouncing low nearest to the floor. This can effectively ensure the ball from the guards. Next is speed dribble. Speed dribble is used when a player isn't guarded heavily. He or she isn't forced to protect the ball. Next is the crossover dribble. The crossover move is a way of faking out other basketball players by rapidly switching the ball from one hand to other and changing the direction of travels. However, it is one of the most effective ways to maintain control of the ball against heavy pressure. Passing is a way for players to move the ball on the court between teammates. First, we have the bounce pass. The bounce pass is thrown with the same motion, however, it is aimed at the floor. It should be thrown far enough out that the ball bounces waist high to the receiver. This is the bounce pass. Next is the chest pass. Chest pass is named so because the pass originates from the chest. It is thrown by gripping the ball on the sides with the thumbs directly behind the ball. When the pass is thrown, the fingers are rotated behind the ball and the thumbs are turned down. The resulting follow-through has the back of the hands facing one another with the thumbs straight down. Next is the overhead pass. The overhead pass is often used as an outlet pass. Bring the ball directly above your forehead with both hands on the side of the ball and follow through. Aim for the teammate's chin. This is the overhead pass. Next is outlet pass. Outlet pass is when a defensive player rebounds the basketball and passes to a teammate, moving the ball up the floor as they transition into offense. Next is behind the back pass. The behind the back pass is when you wrap the ball around your back to throw the ball. It is used to avoid the defender when making a pass across the front of your would-be risky. It can also be used to throw the ball to a player trailing on the fast break. This is the behind the back pass. Fast break. Fast break is a quick offensive drive toward the goal in attempt to score before the opponent's defense is set up. What I have learned. Skills of basketball are the most important thing to master because they will make you and your team better no matter what age level or team you play for. Why it is important to learn? Simply because it is important to learn the skills needed to play basketball so you can get better at shooting and blocking the ball And you can also learn new tricks in a minimum amount of time if you practice. So, this is Kyle Angelica ang All One. Thank you.